What's the use in hesitating? Can't you see that Katie's waiting? Just because her youth is fading doesn't mean she's not worth dating. What's so maybe about? What's so maybe about? What's so maybe about Katie? Alright, you guys, this is a video reply to my friend, BostonChickie, aka Msbeantowngirl. This is for you, sweetheart, for your collab. I get very inappropriate with my finger. So YouTube and all my haters, this is for you. Msbeantowngirl, I'm rocking the bird. Sorry, that was inappropriate. Yay! Oh, oh, let your body move to the music.